East Conway Fire, North Conway Rescue Action Ambulance. Respond to the area of 202 Green Hill Road. Caller stated there is a garage that is fully on fire. We'll be putting out a first alarm zone. Repeat, 700 East Conway Fire, North Conway Rescue Action Ambulance. Respond to the area of 202 Green Hill Road. Caller said there's a garage that is fully on fire. We'll be putting out a first alarm zone at 2311 on Channel 2.
724-7, we'll be in route to the fire.
7. East Conway Fire, Center Conway Fire, North Conway Fire Action Ambulance. The first alarm tone for 188 Green Hill Road. Caller reported a garage that is fully on fire. Requesting East Conway Fire, all apparatus to the scene. An engine and one tanker from the Redstone Station to the scene. An engine and a tanker from Center Conway Fire to the scene. The Cascade truck from North Conway to the scene. And North Conway in Action Ambulance unit to the scene. Repeat, 700 East Conway Fire, Center Conway Fire, North Conway Fire Action Ambulance. This is the first alarm tone for 188 Green Hill Road. Caller reported a garage that is fully engulfed in flames. Requesting all apparatus from East Conway Fire to the scene. One engine and tanker from Redstone Station to the scene. One engine and tanker from Center Conway Fire to the scene. The Cascade truck from North Conway Fire to the scene. And a unit from Action Ambulance to the scene. This is your first alarm tone at 2312 on Channel 2.
15 C4s responding.
Great, 15 C4 en route.
15 C2s responding.
Great, 15 C2 en route.
711 19 priority traffic.
1119, go ahead.
On scene, fully involved residents.
1119 on scene, fully involved residents at 2314.
Another serving second alarm.
1119 requesting a second alarm.
11 that's
North Conway Fire Action Ambulance. This is the second alarm tone for 188 Green Hill Road. 1119 advised the fully engulfed residents. Requesting a tower and engine 4 to the scene from North Conway Fire and a second unit to the scene from Action Ambulance. Repeat, 700 North Conway Fire Action Ambulance. This is the second alarm tone for 188 Green Hill Road. 1119 advised the fully engulfed residents. From North Conway Fire requesting a tower and engine 4 to the scene, and then North Conway and Action Ambulance, the second crew to the scene. 2315 on Channel 10.
5884 responding.
Repeat, 5884 en route.
11 C6 en route.
Let's say 11 C6 en route.
13 C1 en route.
13 C1 en route.
700 from 84, be advised we're the only truck on. 15M12, respond to the station. 15 C1, 11 19. 722 Bell. 700, 11 19. Advise responding to necessarily defensive operations only. We're almost down to the ground. We do have extensions to a ground fire as well. Initial fire, water supply should be the fire pond on East Conway Road.
That's responding. Fire is down to the ground.
C1 on scene.
C1 on scene.
11 C2 off on scene. 705, 714. Waiting a crew.
Receive.
13 Angel 1, be 10-1.
Receive.
11 engine trees on the ramp.
Receive.
11 engine 2 is going to be en route with 3.
En route with 3.
U1 700.
Go ahead.
Be advised this is new construction. There's nobody here at the residence. Nobody's living here at this time.
Received. All units responding. New construction, no residents there at the time.
U1 for the first incoming engine. 13 DC1 to switching engine 1. Go ahead, engine 1. Just before the fire pond on the left-hand side, your construction set back. If you want to pull the engine in first, we can set up royal hitch. 700 from 11 and 19. For 11CC, you can start fire rescue for a second ambulance, please.
Requesting firebreak for a second ambulance, 2320.
724, where we out?
724, 10-4.
Yeah.
15C4 on 10.
North Conway Tower 2 is responding with 3.
Responding with 3.
13C1, go ahead. It's 13C1.
Go ahead.
13C1, go ahead with your traffic if you had any.
I guess the next engine responding to East Conway to set up at the fire pond directly across the street. This is on Green Hill Road.
Receive, requesting the next engine that respond to the fire pond is directly across the road, 2324.
11 engine 2 copies that.
11 engine 2.
5884 is on scene.
Receive 5884 on scene.
15 engine 4 is responding.
Receive 15 engine 4 en route.
13 tank 1 responding.
Receive 13 take 1 en route.
Unit call 15. 15 rescue 2 responding.
15 rescue 2 en route.
11E2 is on scene.
11E2 on scene.
13 tank 1 approaching the scene.
Receive.
1 pull right in, hook right into engine 1. We got a 2.5 spread for you. C1 to tank 1, you copy? Yes.
Conway Rescue, Conway Ambulance. Respond to 60 Webster Road, unit 18B, as in boy, for a Delta level, 4-year-old male, conscious breathing alert, experiencing shortness of breath, no severe barking cough. Repeat, 700 Conway Rescue, Conway Ambulance. Respond to 60 Webster Road, unit 18B, as in boy, for a Delta level, 4-year-old male, conscious breathing alert, experiencing shortness of breath, and a barking cough. At 2329 on channel 3.
8515, status check.
10-5, we're under control.
105515.
Just fully on over. Under to 5884.
Go ahead, Dave.
I have you at that 5884. I have you off of that structure fire. I just toned Conway Ambulance for that call at Webster Road.
Appreciate it.
700 15C4. Did you have traffic? 13C1. 700 to command on Green Hill Road.
Go ahead, 700, 13C1.
I have Oxford County on the line. There's inquiring what units coming from Oxford County, what channel they should go to.
I believe we're working on Conway Fire 2. 2.
Appreciate
700 from Private Rescue 503.
The rescue, go ahead.
503 is in review Conway Road for the structure fire.
Read it.
13C1, 700.
13C1, go ahead.
Just an update, we've got water on fire. We'll be under control in a bit. No exposure at this point.
Read it.
11 tank 1 standing down. Private Fire 2, 13C1 on Conway 1. Private Fire 2. Yeah, just putting the crew together. What do you need primarily from us? I think some manpower in your tanker, please. Okay, copy that. We'll get the tanker on the road. Occupied, so this is exterior only at this point. Okay, copy that.
700 to 12A1.
Go ahead.
I want to update reference Webster Road. Station advised that he ate a yellow mushroom earlier in the day, unknown if it is related.
Received, thank you.
503, off on scene, East Conway. Break 13C1 from 503, where would you like me?
Right, unit call 13C1.
13C1, 503. I've arrived on scene, where would you like me?
Honestly, I don't know. Just set up on the road someplace there. I can't see you from the actual fire.
Read it. Command from off calling you 4.
Kevin, we'll hook right into this 4-inch.
Valley Tank 1 to command. We're approaching the scene. Where would you like us?
15, rescue 2 to C2. We're approaching. Where would you like us?
Right in next to Action Ambulance right there. You'll see Josh, the truck behind it.
Copy.
Like Soccer Valley Tanker. Under control, we're going to be clearing.
Stand by.
Soccer Valley Tanker.
8515, status check.
All set.
Stand 5, all set.
Oh, I don't know. If somebody's set up on, please set up off. If not, if it's all set up, respond to the scene.
You can show myself in 513 off on Blueberry Lane.
C1 700 with an update.
13C1, go ahead.
Fire's been knocked down for the most part. We're going to be doing some overhauls. We could use plenty of manpower.
Receive 13C1. Our fire's been knocked down, doing overhaul. Requesting manpower.
15, rescue 2 will be off.
15 rescue Johnson.
11 to 13C1. Unit calling, go ahead. 13C1.
712A1 on scene, Webster Road.
Okay.
Soccer Valley Tank 1 to 13C1.
Tank 1, respond to the scene.
Brownfield Engine 1's on the scene.
2 to 13C1. Unit calling 13C1, go ahead. 13C1 700.
13C1, go ahead.
Please make sure the fire marshal's office has been inside.
Receive, we'll give them a call.
11 to 13C1 water supply established.
Receive, thank you.
13C1. 13C1. 700 to command on Green Hill Road.
Yeah, go ahead, 700.
Just have, we did call the fire marshal. They advised they will not be responding, but they will give you a call in the morning.
Tanker 2 approaching the scene. Where would you like us?
632, stand 3.
Show me 10
Stand 5, you're 1079.
750.
750, time 3.
I'll be clearing you 6. 83 will be off by Fox.
10 5.
750, switch to him.
750.
KJP 500 Bell County Sheriff's Office, time clear 4 midnight. Checking 279. North Conway Tower 2 to 700. We'll be clearing in service.
Receive, 15 Delta.
KRC 763, Conway PD Town Clear midnight, checking 705.
705.
722. 724.
724.
I'm going to check in a minute.
844.
410 3.
Myself and 513 will be clear.
10-5.
700 from 12A1.
12A1, go ahead.
12A1 transporting 1 to Memorial.
3-6, 12A1, en route to Memorial.
Voyager 10-7.